Good morning, everyone. This is the second experiment which I would like to discuss about the how to we are going to create a screen designing. We are already discussed them in lab in generally, but same procedure I would like to explain here. Whether you are create a activity, there is a first of all it display as a constraint layout like this only. It will be display here. So this constraint layout is a very difficult thing. So that's why several layouts are there. Relative layout is there, and linear layout is there, and table layout is there, grid layout is there. There are so many things are there. So let us discuss about the first of all linear layout too. We are understanding the what is the process of so in a linear layout, there are two properties are there. One is nothing but a orientation is the one of the major property. In orientation, there are two values are there. One is vertical and a horizontal. So we are already discussed about what is the property of vertical and horizontal. So here the second experiment is nothing but we need to create a sample email address, that particular email address to input field and text input field, edit text input field, that will be displayed on your screen as a design of a screen. So let us discuss about the how to design a particular screen by using a linear layout. So in this particular thing, first of all I would like to discuss about the text view. Text view is nothing but a label which is display the data on your screen. So it is like a web application. You are creating a one particular label with each and every input field. So that's why you are using the HTML tag as a label. But here each and everything we are going to write it in a XML format. So here the label is nothing but a text view. The text view which is content, what is the width of the content, so what is the size of the width you want to display it match with the parent, and height is nothing but a wrap with the content, that is this. And each and every any widgets, that means any widgets, if we are using text view is the widget, input text and edit text is a widget. What are the widgets you are going to use it, you need to create a first of all very much id is the very much. So I would like to display as a label, I consider as a label as heading. Okay, and the major property is you want to display the text, simply type it as a text. The text is nothing but a um, student data, for example. Okay, so I would like to arrange the center simply text alignment. Okay, I would like to increase the size of the text 12 dp, not much, 17 dp. Okay, I would like to change the color red. Okay, now it will be a display look like. Okay, and anything bold, text weight. Okay, not font weight, I think it is a text weight. Style, text style bold. Okay, now it is display look like this. So if you want to give the some margin, so margin of the outside of the particular form activity, you require to give the 16 margin padding. Okay, 15 dp, let us see. So see, the outside of the margin is which is give the gap. So that means if create any element, it will be display like this. Next I would like to create another edit the text. Okay, it is also wrapped with the content and match with the parent height also. I think width is match with the parent. See, now see, each all sides of the activity, all sides of the your activity consists the 16 dp margin here. Okay, and wrap with the content. Okay, now see the content which is consist of. Now I want to make padding. Okay, uh, the padding 12 dp. See, the outside margin will be increased of that particular thing. but I would like to give the particular margin, give the some space, top margin, layout margin top 15 dp. Okay, simply now it is look like a 10. Okay, now I would like to give the very much important thing is id txt email. Okay, next button, and it is also with the match with the parent. So why? Because match with the parent means how much parent is there, I would like to display the match with the parent. And height also I would like to wrap with the content. And very important point is id btn submit, btn submit. And the text of the button is, it is a property of the text, uh, get email, get email. Okay, uh, so my system is running properly. So margin top, same property I would like to use here also. Okay, now properties, and the text field I would like to give the hint, enter email here. A very important point is this is the only prototype look like a toy. So let us rebuild the your project and check running device. Let us check it. So your app is look like this. So simply enter the what are the things are there. It does not consider any properties are there, so it does not consider any functionalities are there. Simply click the button, it crashes the app. So we would like to avoid these things, we require to create a functionalities. Okay, uh, let us check it how to write the functionalities. Actually, this is the experiment what we are discussed in previous lab also. So same functionality, but we require to write it as a functionality program here. Okay, what is this error means? You require to what are the errors are there? For example, okay, uh, edit text touch target size is very low. So okay. Now I would like to create another text view, which is get the data. Text data, text view, that is also wrapped with the content and match with the parent. Okay, this text view not wrap with, match with the parent and wrap with the content. Okay, the text view id is lbl display. Next hint is not hint, text. For example, let us take it as a hint, not hint, text. Email address display here. and the text size is 35 dp. Okay, and top margin top, 45 dp. Okay, so next, uh, we would like to write the Kotlin program here, how to get these text field values into your class. Okay, so now how to you are going to jump into the class? Simply click on the class symbol. Here the class program is there. Now I would like to initializing the your each and every text field. First one is where email equals to. So what is the element we need to find it? Find view by id. What is the field we need to get the data? It is nothing but a edit text. So what is the text? And that address, how to we are going to get the address? R is nothing but a resource. That resource name we are find by id only, id dot. So txt email. Okay, next is we need to get the button. Why? Because we need to create a press on click operation. So btn get mail, this is my instance name. Again I would like to find view by id. I would like to get the id of button. How to get it? R dot id dot btn submit. Next I would like to display when uh, display. I would like to give the name as a display. Find view by id, that is nothing but a edit text, not text view. Okay, the id is r dot id dot lbl display. Okay, now all the things are happened. Now I would like to whether when will we need to display that button. Whether you click the button, then only you need to display the content on your lib. So what is our instance name is btn get email dot set on click listener. So same as Java, we are learning functionalities in what are the things are there. Set on click listener, curly braces, don't give the parenthesis here, and val email address equals to email of, what is the property? Text dot to string. Text dot to string. So what is the content we are going to retrieve it? Those content we are reading and stored into the value is called as a email. And what is the result? I want to display the display variable. Display equals to, so whether how to you are going to set the display dot text equals to, so what is the value? Email address. So I would like to display here. Again rebuild the project, and running device, this is your device. Rerun the project. Okay, okay, wait, wait, wait. Build Okay, okay, all things are going successful. And cpdf at the rate gmail.com, get mail. Okay, now it will be displayed here. So this is the how to we are going to write the functionality. So that means here we are going to discuss about three things majorly. One is nothing but a how to create a front end, and second one is nothing but how to create a functionality and integrated both. So this is the thing we are going to discuss up to now. So this is the second experiment. Thank you.